Hi, this is Billy at FormSite. Let's talk about order forms. Order forms are any online forms that calculate an order amount and can collect payments. Examples include order forms for buying products or services, registration forms that collect fees, donation forms, or any other forms that deal with calculating and accepting payments. The order form items are in the form editor under the order form items area. Note that there are no fields for collecting credit card information. If you plan to collect payments with your form, you use one of the payment integrations. For order forms where you want to collect the payment, you do not collect the card information with your form. Pricing items tell the system that the form is an order form and how you add to the order total. The radio button pricing and drop-down pricing items allow for a single choice to be selected, and the checkbox pricing item allows for multiple selections. You add the description of each choice on the left and its price on the right. When the visitor chooses their choice, that amount gets added to the order total. The text field pricing item collects a number to add to the order total, as with a custom donation amount. The quantity items are special, so I'm going to take a minute to explain how they work. The first quantity item is the text quantity item, and it multiplies the price of the selection by the quantity entered. It only works when placed immediately before the pricing item you want to calculate. The quantity list item lets you add a list of items and their prices, then displays a text field where the visitors can enter the quantity they want. The radio button percent item lets you add or discount a percentage of the entire order total, as with a percent tax or a percent discount. The image list pricing item allows you to use images and assign prices to them. You can display them beside each other using the grid presentation setting, and change it from multi-select checkboxes to single-select radio buttons by setting the max selections to 1. The coupon code item lets you add one or more special codes for visitors to enter to get a percentage or fixed amount off. All forms with order form items will automatically include an order summary page after the last page of the form. This page uses the same styles as your form and is not able to be directly edited in order to preserve the security of your order form. Some of the text can be modified from the form's Form Settings custom text page, such as the currency symbol. The order summary table displays the order items chosen on the form and the calculated order total so the visitor can clearly see the amount to be charged. Also on this page will appear the payment choices if any are set up. Read more about setting up and using the payment integrations by visiting their support pages. If you have any questions about this or any other FormSite feature, you can reach us at formsite.com and clicking the contact link.